Ever wondered why onions make you cry or why your cake rises in the oven? It's all in the wacky world of cooking chemistry. When you slice into an onion, it fights back. It releases a gas that swiftly mixes with the moisture in your eyes, triggering a stinging sensation that brings on the waterworks. And that teardrop-shaped oven miracle? Baking a cake is essentially a science experiment. The reaction between baking soda and vinegar creates carbon dioxide bubbles, giving your cake that light, fluffy texture. The heat from the oven expands these bubbles, causing your cake to rise. So the next time you're in the kitchen, remember, it's not just cooking, it's chemistry at play. Who knew chemistry could be so deliciously funny? Laughter is the best medicine, right? Well, did you know that your brain releases special chemicals when you laugh? These are known as endorphins, and they're basically your body's feel-good warriors. Just picture them as tiny joy ninjas darting around your body, giving you that warm, fuzzy, and elated feeling. But let's take the hilarity a step further. Even rats, yes, those little creatures, have a sense of humor. When tickled, they produce a high-pitched sound that's equivalent to human laughter. It's like they're having a mini giggle fest right under our noses. So the next time you laugh, remember, you might just be sharing a joke with the animal kingdom. Imagine a bunch of laughing rats having a tiny party. Now that's a hilarious mental image. Hold on to your hats, folks, because physics is about to get funny. Ever felt that sudden lurch when you miss a step going downstairs? That's the force of gravity, pulling you back to earth with a stumble and a stutter step. It's the same force that keeps us grounded, but also gives us those slapstick moments of tripping over our own feet. And let's switch gears to inertia. The reason why your coffee keeps swirling even after you've stopped stirring it. It's also the culprit behind those hilarious cat leaps that end in an awkward tumble, as our feline friends misjudge their stopping distances. So here's a round of applause for the law of inertia and gravity. Thank you, physics, for these priceless cat videos. Now, let's talk about everyday objects that have secret quirky features. Ever spend time pondering your keyboard? Those little bumps on the F and J keys aren't just random design elements. They're your typing guides, tiny tactile GPS devices for your fingertips, ensuring you don't need to peek at the keys while typing away. And how about your notebook paper? Ever wonder why the lines are blue? It's not just for aesthetics. The blue hue harks back to a time when blue ink was the cheapest to produce. So every time you jot down your thoughts, you're not just writing on paper, but on a sheet of history. Quite an interesting twist, isn't it? So, you're basically writing on history every time you take notes. Well, that's it, folks. We've been on a roller coaster ride through the quirky chemistry of cooking, the bizarre biology of laughter, the comedic chaos of physics, and the eccentricity of everyday objects. But don't think the fun stops here. We encourage you to keep an eye out for the funny side of science in your daily life. Who knows? You might just stumble upon a piece of history while sipping your coffee or discover a physics law while playing a game of basketball. So, stay tuned for more hilarious science facts in our next video. Remember, the universe is not just vast and mysterious, it's also hilariously wacky.